does UI UX play a role in increasing the conversion rate and reducing cart abandonment rate? And if yes, what are those UI UX tactics that you would employ in order to improve your customer experience?
Sure, Jay. As I said, take a look at Victoria's Secret. It's a great example of a site that's implemented the whole checkout process very well. What it does is, you capture your shipping address. You try and keep the user onto as much of a one-page checkout as possible, where he or she is able to proceed with the different stages of the whole checkout process. So, which means it involves specifying your shipping address quickly, and if necessary to specify a different billing address, only then ask for those inputs. And all the while you're at the same time you're showing the user what he or she is going to pay for the products that are in the cart. There ought to be no surprises in terms of delivery fees. So at this point, a business needs to take into account whether they're willing to look at delivery as a marketing expense and sort of subsidize the consumer, rather than sort of giving them a sticker shock after they've reached the checkout page as to what those delivery fees are going to be. And another thing that I would also say is, when you get to the final payment page, and especially in India, let me give you an example. There's probably a top online grocer. I don't want to take the name of this grocer. So at the beginning of every month, they usually have some sort of you buy within the first 5 days of a month. You pay using a certain credit card. You get a certain cashback, so to speak, right? Now, while they've specified this message very clearly at the beginning of the whole journey, when you're in the checkout process, you don't see that cashback being applied anywhere, right? You're always seeing the full amount sort of being shown up there. So as a consumer, you're probably thinking, what happened to my cashback, right? So those are also elements of the user interface and user experience that you need to sort of take into account to ensure that those messages are very clear. So for instance, if you want to say that, hold on a sec, this amount is going to come back to you in this fashion, it's very important to specify those messages very clearly, because consumers I can tell you that they hate feeling cheated, right? The last thing they want to do is to sort of get drawn into a sort of a promise or a voucher or a gift and not sort of get it at the end. So it's very important to deliver on the promise with your messaging very clearly. And I think the payment options, as Taha mentioned, is also very important to integrate with. And these, I would say, are the key user experience and user interface aspects that you will need to cater to. Last point I want to say is that mobile is very big. More than 50% of the audience today who accesses the internet is using the mobile device exclusively. In a couple of years, that number is going to grow up to 75%. So it's very important that your page renders very well on your mobile devices. Your website has been designed to be mobile first. It renders very well. There's no scroll issues, and keep it as simple as possible and enable the user to complete the journey.